In this video, I'm going to import this fixture from gibbsCAM into ToolManageriQ. So I'll start by going into the Fixtures section here, which has two subsections. The Fixtures subsection is used for independent pieces. So if your fixture is a single model, then you can have it just in there. Or if it's a fixture assembly, the pieces must exist in this list before you can put it into an assembly of multiple items. So I'll start on the Fixtures subsection side. I'll select the fixture I want to import and click the Import from Gibbs button. That's going to generate a picture, which I can change if I'd like. Same with the name, the associated solid. I can add some notes. When this is added, it remembers where it is from the origin. So if I'd ever like to export it into gibbsCAM in a different position, I could always add an offset here. If I press OK, that will now be added to the list. Now to create an assembly, I need all the pieces in this list, so I'll just repeat that. Add the jaws here. And each one will be its own item in the Fixtures subsection. And then I'll go to the Fixtures assembly subsection where I can put it all together. There's no way to import them, so I would have to right-click and create a new assembly. I'll give it a name. Press OK. And now if I double-click that, I can add these pieces manually. Things like the picture. I can pick an image I'd like to use. Change the name if I'd like. The offsets and the notes are there. But here is where I can add the different components of that assembly. I'll just press the ellipsis here, and here's my list of items that I've added. I can add the chuck body. Let's see, it goes in as a component, and I would continue that. And there are optional offsets for each piece as well. So before I export it back into gibbsCAM, I could always put numbers in there if I wanted the jaws to be more open or more closed. I have all of the jaws here. And that will save as a single item. But that one fixture assembly now contains all of the different pieces that I've added. And so when I export it into gibbsCAM, not only will they all come in, but any offsets I want to apply independently will take hold.